Hello everyone. In this video, let's talk about IV characteristics of 1N4001 diode. The first thing to do is drawing the schematic of our circuit. Click on diode. After placing, a second diode appears. To get rid of that, press escape or right click on your mouse. Similarly, add a resistor. To rotate it, hold down Ctrl key plus R on your keyboard. Finally, click on component icon. A new window is appearing. Here, type voltage, click OK, and place it here. Now connect all the components. Once all the components are connected, add a ground. Now the circuit diagram is completed. Enter values for components. Let us enter 1 kΩ for the resistor. Right click on diode, then pick a new diode. Since I use 1N4001 diode, it is not provided here. Therefore, I need to copy its Spice model in the Spice directive. If you don't have the Spice model, you can get it from the ltwiki.org website with a title of standard.dio, which I also got from that website. Click OK. As you can notice, the name of diode is different from the name of its Spice model. So it will not pick up this Spice model. To fix it, we need to change the name of our diode similar to Spice model. So type 1N401. Finally, right-click on voltage source and enter 5 volt, which is the DC voltage, because we need to see the DC characteristics of the diode. Now our circuit is ready to run. One more thing to remain before running the simulation. As you can see, 5 volt here is not variable, but to get the IV characteristics, the voltage must be variable. So we have to sweep the voltage in the simulation processor. For that, go to the Edit Simulation CMD and click on DC sweep, which is used for varying of a particular voltage source. Here the name of your first source to sweep is V1. As you can see here, we can actually vary 3 different sources in a single simulation. But for this particular circuit, we have only one source. So I am gonna leave the second and third source as blank. Here, determine the type of sweep. In this case, the sweep type should be linear. If we start from 0 to 5 volt in steps of 0.01, we will get only the forward characteristics, because we are not making the voltage negative. To get the entire characteristics, both forward plus reverse. Instead of 0, I will put -5. Now the voltage starts from -5 to 5 with an increment of 0.01. When you click OK, you will get the simulation common spice model, which the source V1 will be swept from -5 to 5 in steps of 0.01. If you click on this running guy, a new window has opened, where we will be able to see the output waveform. And the voltage, which is in the x-axis, starts from -5 to 5 volt. The same as we did in the edit simulation CMD. To add the diode current, right-click on this window, add traces, and select ID1, which is the current flow through the diode. Click OK. But now, do you think that it is a VI characteristics? No, it is not a VI characteristics of diode, because the diode voltage is not reached to 5 volt, and the voltage across the diode cannot exceed 0.7 volt. So to get the right VI characteristics, we need to change the x-axis. As you can notice, the x-axis is provided with the input voltage source. So we need to change it to the diode voltage. Before that, let us determine the diode voltage. Click on label net, write VO, and put it somewhere between resistor and diode. Run again. If you right click on this window and from add traces, you can see the diode voltage. Select and copy it. Then right click on x-axis and paste that here. Then click OK. Now you can see the correct VI characteristics, which the voltage does not exceed 0.7 volt. It is very important to know. However, we sweep the voltage from -5 to 5 volt. Here it is not exceed 0.7 volt. The final thing to add in this video is, if you change the resistor, the shape of our waveform will not change. Only the current magnitude will change. Let's change the resistor into 500 ohm and run the circuit again. You can see the same waveform, but the current magnitude is changed. I am coming to the end of this video. If you like the video, please don't forget to subscribe and like the video.